Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 1 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 1 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter subtraction. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Okay, here I'm on grade 1 math. The chapter we're on is subtraction. We're going to start with the lessons. We're going to start with the lesson. What problems you have to do on your own, right? So we're going to start with subtract one digit number from two digit numbers. Right now we're going to learn how do we subtract a one digit number from two digit numbers, right? The first example is subtract 13, take away 1. So whenever we have to subtract like this, like you have to subtract a one digit number out of two digit, the rightmost digit is always at the ones position and the next one is at the tens, right? So first we have to subtract the ones digit, right? You always start from the rightmost digit, that is the ones digit. You have to do 3 take away 1, right? So 3 take away 1 means make 3 lines, remove one of them, we are left with 2, right? And here you have 1, you don't have any digit here, so you need to write 1 as it is. So 13 take away 1 is 12. Got it? Always start subtraction from the rightmost digit. Got it? Let's just start with the practice questions. The tutorial one are already solved. You can have a look on them later today, right? Okay, let's just start with the first one, that is 16 take away 4. So start with the rightmost digit. Here is the rightmost, and that is the digit that is at the ones position, and here is the one that are at the tens position. So always start subtraction from the ones. You have to do 6 take away 4, right? So 6 take away 4 is 2. Now bring 1 down because you don't have any digit right before 1, right below 1. So 16 take away 14 is 12. Got it? The correct option is 12. The correct option is 12, right? Okay, the next one is 18 take away 18, right? So always start subtracting from the ones digit, right? Most digit, right? 8 take away 8. So subtracting a number from itself always makes a 0. 8 take away 8 is 0, right? You don't have any digit right below 1, so just move it below. So move it, keep it here. 18 take away 8 is 10. The correct option is 10. Got it? The correct option is 12. Sorry, 10. 18 take away 8 equals 10. Okay, the next one is 14 take away 3, which is the correct option. Which is the correct option? You guys are here to learn. So just focus on the learning. Stop chatting, otherwise I'm going to block you. 4 take away 3 equals 1. You don't have any digit right below 1, so just keep it here. So 14 take away 3 is 11. Answer the question I am asking. You are supposed to learn, so please focus on the learning. 14 take away 3 is 11. The next one is 13 take away 2, which is the correct option. Thirteen take away. Yes, very good. The correct option is 11. The next one is 12 take away 2, which is the correct option. The correct option is very good. 10. It is 12 take away 2 is 10. 18 take away 2, which is the correct option. The correct option is very good. 16. It is 18 take away 2 is 16. The next one is 18 take away 1, which is the correct option. The correct option is 17. It is right. The last one is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson, right? And the next one is, so the basic concept here is to subtract, right? You're just going to learn different ways of subtraction. The next one is subtraction facts up to 18. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, the first one is 15 take away 8. You have to do exactly the same thing, right? But you cannot subtract 5 out of 8 because 5 is a smaller number and 8 is greater one, right? You cannot subtract a smaller number out of the greater one. So you need to borrow 1 from the next digit. You already have 1 as a next digit, right? When you borrow 1 from the next digit, that makes it 15, right? And here you are left with 0. You have to do 15 take away 8, right? So 15 take away 8 is 7. The correct option is 7. Got it? Well, let's just do more practice questions. Okay, the first one is 10 take away 7. So you have to start subtracting from the ones digit. The ones digit is 0, right? You cannot subtract 0 out of 7. Why? Because 0 is less than 7. You always subtract a great smaller number out of the greater one. You need to make it greater. You need to borrow 1 from the next digit, right? You already have 1 here. When you borrow 1 from here, here you have 0 and the one you borrowed make this digit as 10. Now you have to do 10 take away 7. Got it? 10 take away 7 is 3. The correct option is 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, 14 take away 6, which is the correct option. You cannot subtract 4 out of 6. You need to borrow 1 from the next digit, right? So here you already have 1. When you borrow 1, the 1 makes this 4 as 14 and here you are left with 0. Got it? And 14 take away 6 is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 14 take away 6 is 8. Yes, the correct option is 8. Got it? The correct option is 8. 14 take away 6 is 8. 14 take away 6 is 8. 10 take away 3 equals, very good. The correct option is 7. 7 it is. 10 take away 3 is 7. 10 take away 5 equals, correct option is 10 take away 5 is very good. 5 it is. The correct option is 5. 13 take away 5 equals 13 take away 5 is very good. The correct option is 8. The next one is 11 take away 3, which is the correct option. 11 take away 3 is very good. 8 it is. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson, right? So the next lesson is, okay, let's see which is the next one. Okay, subtraction word problems you have to do on your own. Again, word problems you have to do on your own. Make a subtraction, make a number using subtraction numbers up to 10. Okay, let's just start with the first one. How do you make 3? You are given 4 of the options. You need to select the one that makes 3. So which is the correct option? The correct option is, hello, can you hear me? Okay, so you are given 4 of the options. You need to select the one that makes 3, right? So start with the first one, 5 take away 2. So 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 take away 2 makes 3, right? Then 10 take away 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 take away 6 is 4, right? Then 8 take away 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. You have again 4. And yes, the correct option is 5 take away 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. What do you mean by no one wants to hear blah blah? How do you make 3, which is the correct option? The first thing is you must learn how to talk to your teachers. The correct option is option number 1, 5 take away 2. Option A is the correct option. How do you make 2? Which is the correct option? You are given 4 of the options. You have to select the one that makes 2. So, which is the correct option? The correct option is, which is the correct option? Yes, option number D is the correct option. 3 take away 1 is the correct one. Option number D is the correct option. 3 take away 1. If no one wants to hear blah blah, then you can leave. And first thing is, you must learn how to talk to your teachers. How do you make 8? Which is the correct option? The correct option is, yes, that's option number 8. 9 take away 1 is the correct option, right? That is the one that makes 8. So 9 take away 1 makes 8. How do you make 1? Which is the correct option? The correct option is, which is the correct option? Yes, that's option number C. 9 take away 8 is the correct option. Option number C is the correct option. How do you make 6? Which is the correct option? The correct option is option number B. That's 10 take away 4 is the correct option. You guys are here to learn, so please focus on the learning. Do not waste your own time and the others too. How do you make 5? Which is the correct option? correct option is 9 take away 4. The correct option is 9 take away 4. Option number A is the correct option. Very good. How do you make 4, which is the correct option? The correct option is you need to make 4. So, which is the correct option? A. How? The correct option is option number D is the correct option. 7 take away 3 is the one that makes 4, right? Yes, it is option number D. Very good. The correct option is D. 7 take away 3 is the correct option. Very good. How do you make 1, which is the correct option? The correct option is option number. Yes, very good. C is the correct option. 3 take away 2 equals 1. Option number C is the correct option. How do you make 2, which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? The correct option is D. You have to make 2. How do you make 2? That is option number 1. 6 take away 4 is the one that makes 2, isn't it? The correct option is yes, A is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson, right? The next lesson is related subtraction facts. Let's just start with the next lesson. Which is a related subtraction fact for 7 take away 2 equals 5, right? You need to find the related subtraction first. Related subtraction fact. So related subtraction fact is the one that have exactly same numbers, like the expression have 7, 2 and 5, but their order is different. Here you have 5, 2, 3. 7, 6 and 1, 7, 4 and 3. You have 7, 5 and 2 here. You can see the order is different. Now you are subtracting 7, take away 5 and the answer is 2. So that is the related fact. The related fact means you have the same numbers involved, just the expression is different. Got it? So option number 7 take away 5 equals 2 is the related fact for 7 take away 2 equals 5, right? Let's just start with the practice questions. You can have a look on them. They are already solved, right? Let's just start with the okay, which is the related fact for 7 take away 2 equals 5. So which is the correct option? The correct option is option number D, right? They have the same numbers. 7 take away 5 equals 2. So option number D is the correct option. Which is the related fact for 9 take away 4 equals 5, which is the correct option. The correct option is that is option number B. 9 take away 5 equals 4 is the correct option. That's because of your internet. Because you cannot see the chat because your internet is slow. That is the reason. What is the related fact for 2 take away 0 equals 2, which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, C. It is 2 take away 2 equals 0 is the correct option. which is the related fact for 6 take away 1 equals 5, which is the correct option. The correct option is yes, that's A. 6 take away 5 equals 1 is the correct option. Which is the related fact for 8 take away 1 equals 7. The correct option is yes, that's A. 8 take away 7 equals 1 is the correct option. Okay, we are done with the lesson. We are almost done with the class. If you have any questions related to the lessons we have just finished, you can please ask. So we were working on grade 1 math. The chapter we were working on is subtraction. The lessons we have covered today are complete the subtraction sentence, the word problems you have to do on your own. Then we did subtract one digit numbers from two digit numbers. Then we did subtraction facts, numbers up to 18. You have to do the word problems on your own again. Make a number using subtraction, numbers up to 10, and related subtraction facts. So one important thing here is I have already covered these lessons 3-4 times earlier, right? This time I'm going bit quick, so if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9, or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10, right? So if you have any questions related to the lessons we have just finished, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So you can please ask questions. Any questions? You can ask questions if you have any. No questions? Emmanuel, yes, you can ask question. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.